Good morning. Take lunch box. Pencil. Eraser. Very good. Okay. Good morning, Rudramaran. Take spoon. Pencil. Lunch box. Very good. Good morning, all children. Take pen. Notebook. Chalk piece. Very good morning, Sachin Raghav. Take pencil. Water bottle. Eraser. Very good. Good morning. Take lunch box. Very good. Take water bottle. Pencil. Very good. Kundarani. Take water bottle. Lunch box. Spoon. Well done. Good morning, Darshana Sri. Take notebook. Chalk piece. Chalk piece. Eraser. Very good. Good morning, Aradhya. Take scale. Geometry box. Eraser. Well done.